Hey all, welcome to this AI era. Here we are going to learn about how do we test the AI applications. We are going to learn what are the different tools required to test AI applications. So today we are going to learn what does this course involve. For that, I'm going to share the PPT. So let's begin. Here, what are we going to learn? So we're going to learn the testing the different AI systems. We already know that in our day-to-day life, we are using chatbot, we're using Claude. These are all Chat GPT. So these are the different AI LLMs, the large language models, which we are using for day-to-day activities. For example, if I want to know that what is the weather today, I can simply write in Chat GPT a prompt that can you give me the weather in Bangalore today? It is going to give me what is the weather in Bangalore today. For example, if I show you, I know that all of you are using ChatGPT in your day-to-day life. So here, for example, I'll show you that tell me what's happening, what's the happening news in Bangalore on, say, today is 11th July 2026. So being a weekend, I want to know what is a happening event. I want to know about some events in Bangalore. So what's the happening event? Let us see. And it's going to understand that, okay, that here are some of the key developments in Bengaluru on Saturday. So let us see something like what is the weather, what are the fuel prices. So it says that petrol and diesel prices in Bengaluru remain unchanged today. There's no change in the prices. What are the gold prices? So something new. What is happening in Bengaluru? What are the events? So at Bangalore Turf Club is hoisting horse races today. So all this we can get to know, and going forward, it gives us more details. So how does it happen? Because we have trained this LLM accordingly, that whatever is the user asking any details, it will give us the information. Now coming back to our slide, what are we going to learn here is we're going to learn how to test the AI systems, how to test these chatbots, how to test all the applications which are built on AI or which are built with AI, the artificial intelligence, because they do not produce accurate results at times. They only provide a range of expected results. So it is not that one line, okay, or one word, or this is what my expected result should be. It will give us in that particular range. So in order to get that particular range, we are going to test the AI systems with DeepEval. So this is one of the library which we are going to use in order to test our yeah, now we can continue that we have to test our AI systems using DeepEval. We are going to learn more in depth about DeepEval in our further upcoming videos. We are going to test what are AI agents. We are going to test what are how chatbots are built, whether it's uh, developed correctly, whether validations are up to the mark, or what is expected. Are we getting the correct results? So, how do we test these AI agents? How do we test these chatbots? How do we test the RAG applications? So, all this we are going to learn under this course called as Testing AI Systems. AI agents, what they do is we want to test how do we test these AI agents? We want to test the agentic behavior, whether the behavior performed by that particular AI application is as per expected or not. The decisions, what they make, are we getting the accurate results or not? whether the task completed by that particular AI agent is up to the mark or not, or is it validated as per the expected results. We ensure reliability and also safety. So in that cases, if it is prone to any vulnerabilities, we are also going to test that as well for the AI agents. Now coming to chatbots, we'll test. So chatbots is basically here. We don't have human in place. We have chatbots. We are going to interact with the chatbots for our day-to-day activities. For example, if Swiggy is there, I don't need any telecaller or teleperson there. They are only going to install the chatbots and we are going to have a conversation. So where is my order? I want to know that it is taking longer time for me. So chatbot is going to reply to you, is going to check with all the fed in data. So maps are there, like how far this delivery person has reached to my place, whether it is taking a longer time, it is taking the food to be delivered, maybe it is still under preparation. So all these cases it's going to analyze and tell you that okay, within 10 minutes it's going to reach, or it's going to take a little longer because it is a rainy day and there will be a certain surcharge for your delivery. So all this we are going to see how accurate the chatbots are going to give us the results. We are going to check its response safety. We are going to ensure how the satisfaction is with that particular user, whether really the user is satisfied or whether the chatbot is going to give me some vague results that no, it is going to take some more time. So all that we are going to test with the chatbot because it is built on AI. Now, RAG applications, so whether the context, so here we are going to integrate these AI agents with our applications and check to see that whether the context, what it is integrated with, is it giving us the correct results? It is integrated with the correct application and giving us the correct results. So in that case, we are going to check these RAG applications, which are also again built on AI. So let's go on to the next slide. Okay, so this is AI we are all living in an AI era, right? So we should not say that no, we are still living in the past generation and it will take us some more time to adapt to it. How quickly we adapt to it is something we are going to be relevant in the market with whatever skills we have. So when we come to, yeah, when we, okay, let me. So here, when we come to this skill of AI, it's how quickly a human is going to adapt, or else people are living in this fear that it's going to take us some more time for us to adapt. Our jobs are going to be lost in this era of AI. Is everywhere AI. So it's not that how quickly we adapt, how quickly we learn. So that's how agents are there. We need to take assistance from them. So they're going to assist us with our work. So likewise in our testing as well, it's going to assist us with the automation, how quickly automation results you can get and produce it to the stakeholders. So we are living in an AI era. So that is where AI is reshaping how we build and test our software. So software can be built on a faster rate. It can be produced and reach to the production at the earliest. It's not like the olden days that it used to take the entire SDLC and then finally the clients are not getting the expected result as to what we wanted. So as we are living in this AI era, we have to adapt. We are not living in the old Stone Age. We are living in the new Stone Age and we have to adapt accordingly. So it is trending in the market and for the test automation as well. We have to see that how we can integrate, how we can test our AI agents, how well we can test it with respect to API and how secured our AI agents are. So it is all in trending. So that's how we have to go along with it. And it's an high demand skill. Now, so that's why every QA has to upgrade their skills today. You have to be relevant, be valuable, and future ready for the market. Let's come to the next slide. So how we are going to test these AI agents? We have to be well aware of the programming language Python. Python, what are we going to learn? And I'm going to create separate video recordings for it. For different sessions, it's going to start from 1 to 12 as given here. So the first one is data types in Python. Those who are completely new to Python, the freshers, or who have no, or who still want some more knowledge, I'm going to create a separate video sessions for it. So you can have a look at them in my channel. So data types in Python, we are going to list all the data types and its different operations. What is tuple and dictionary data types? If else condition in Python, how to create dictionaries at runtime. So these are the different Python concepts. How loops work in Python. So why do we need to learn this programming language? Because when we want to test these AI agents, the chatbots, the RAG applications, we will have to make use of this programming language because we are going to interact with these agents with this programming language. We are going to see what are functions, what are different oops concepts, what is constructor, what is inheritance, and string and its function. So we have to apply these concepts when we are testing these AI agents, chatbots, AI applications. And once you become ready with it, you are good to go in testing your AI applications. But what are different concepts we need to learn, such as DeepEval we have seen. We have to learn how useful, like how promptly we can use that library into our testing activities. Now, finally, this is the complete slide of what I have showed you from the beginning, that we are in this AI era. The trends are upcoming in the market. We have to mold ourselves accordingly. We have to, though we have the AI agents, we have the chatbots, we have the RAG apps, whether they are built or developed correctly or not, we are utilizing it for our assistance, for our test automation assistance. So in that case, we have to test them. And how to test them? Do we get the right accuracy? Do we get the right validation? Are we verifying correctly? So how is that going to be proceeded? We are going to see in our upcoming videos. So we are going to see whether they are defining the correct metrics. We are running the correct evaluations. We are going to use the word evaluation for testing our AI agents. So we are not going to use the word testing when we are going to test the AI agents or the chatbots or the AI applications. We are going to use the word evaluation. So how best we can evaluate our AI applications, we have to learn. And for that, we would require a Python programming language. So let's upskill ourselves today going forward, and how quickly we can learn and implement our testing strategies for our testing um, AI applications. We are going to learn together. And for any questions, anything, your feedback, I would highly appreciate you would give it in the video once it gets uploaded to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and let's meet again with our next video as to how we can proceed, how we can use this DeepEval library with our testing of AI agents. Thank you so much.